So welcome back guys. Today we are going to see here the program for swapping out the numbers by using out the third variable. So suppose I have two variables a and b. Both of the variables are having different values. Now I want that if suppose we have two variables a and b, right? So a is containing 10 and b is containing 20. So I want that a should give me 20 and b should give me 10. So how can I just swipe out that, right? I mean swap out that. So let's just do one thing. I'm just creating out the variables here a and b which is storing out 10. Okay, again we have the variable b which is storing out the variable as 20. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just have the temp variable. Okay, I've declared out, I'm assigning out the variable as a. Okay, and now a is empty, right? So inside a I can just give the value of b. Now b is empty, so inside b we can just give the temp value, right? And now I can just go to my system.out.print statement, and I just try to get the response for a, right? And let's just have a bit of space here, and I can just give here b, right? And with addition to this, of course, again the space, and we can just give here c, right? So a should give me, sorry, we don't have C, right? So I'll just save and I'll just try to get this. Okay. So actually the thing is that, okay, A is already used out. It's here. Okay, let's say A1. Let's just use A1 instead of this A symbol because we have already taken arguments as A. Let's save and try to run. Okay, again we are getting the issue. No worries. Okay. Okay, this is not being edited yet. I hope the things are fine now. Let's try to get response once again. We got 20 and 10, right? So inside A1 we have 20 and inside B we got 10, right? I hope you guys liked it out. Thank you so much.